This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. Double honors to the elders, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. In the name of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. In the name of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. And I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a news article. This was recently, as of January the 12th, 2023, by Reuters from the Jerusalem Post. And it reads, an earthquake of magnitude 6.2 strikes near Chilean city of Coquimbo, if I pronounced that right. The EMSC says it says an earthquake of a magnitude 6.2 strikes near the city of Coquimbo in Chile on Thursday. The European Mediterranean Seismologist Century MESC says the quake was a depth of 60 kilometers and 37.28 miles, the EMSC added. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3, in the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, and therefore when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people in the world, right, because we've seen once again a good number of increase of earthquakes in diverse places. As you see right here, this was a recent increase of another earthquake in a magnitude number of 6.2, and it strikes the near city of Chilean city of Coquimbo. So we definitely seeing these earthquakes definitely been increasing. Starting the new year of 2023 in January, and this is like what, the second and a half week of January in the new year. We've been definitely seeing a high increase of number of these magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places, because as the scripture has stated, that in the latter days we was going to see an increase of these earthquakes in diverse places, and then we was definitely going to see a great earthquakes in diverse places of these increasingly magnitude numbers of these earthquakes around the world. We're definitely going to continue to see an increase more and more now, so more than often, So with that, this was just a quick lesson that I wanted to bring out of this news article of a recent earthquake, and it was in a number of a magnitude of 6.2, and it struck the Chilean city in Chile. And so with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. Double honors to the elders who preach the word truthfully and sincerely. In the name of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. In the name of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. Until next time, I will say shalom.